CNC Turning Center video. Worldwide Machining and Welding Incorporated provides the right service at the right time, industrial and commercial, anytime, anywhere. We're the proud owner and operator of one of the largest CNC turning centers in the area, boasting an 18 by 80 inch capacity with a 50 horsepower direct drive spindle. It's shown here turning a rod forging from Switzerland with a Rockwell Hardness of 40. Whatever welding or machining needs you may have, Worldwide Machining and Welding Incorporated has the solution.